Hey everybody, no time for an intro here. This video is going over the 6 parent functions that we are going to look at. There are other parent functions. The idea behind a parent function is the most basic form of one type of function. So what you should do is you should pause the video on each screen and copy down all of the information, and then I will talk about it just a little bit. So you're going to want to pause on each new screen, copy down the information, and then I'll talk a little bit. Okay, the first function is f of x equals x, or y equals x. This is a linear function, or the identity function. The reason it's called the identity function is because the input and the output are the same. The domain and range for this function are both all real numbers, and this is our first degree polynomial function. It is symmetrical about the origin. The reason it's the most basic linear function is because x and y are the same. Our next function is the quadratic function. The quadratic function is found by squaring the input. This is why all of the y values are either 0 or positive, because you can't square something and get a negative number, at least not when you're talking about real numbers. So the key points here are 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, and then this has symmetry about the y-axis, so all of those same points on the other side, like negative 1, 1, negative 2, 4, so on and so forth. This is the second degree polynomial function, and like I said, it's symmetrical about the y-axis. The next function is the absolute value of x. So you can plug any number into the absolute value of x, but you will never get a negative number out. An important fact that some people don't know is that the absolute value comes from taking the square root of x squared. So let's take, for example, negative 3. If I square negative 3, I get 9. And then when I have the square root of 9, I'm talking about the principal square root of 9 or the positive square root of 9, which is 3. So that's going to turn my negative 3 into a positive 3. This has symmetry about the y-axis, and absolute value is used to measure absolute distance. Okay, next is f of x equals x cubed, or the cubic function. The way that this differs from the quadratic function is that if you plug in a negative number, you get out a negative number. So for example, negative 2 cubed is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, which is negative 8. So you can plug any number in, and you can get any number out. The cubic is our third degree polynomial parent function, and it is symmetric about the origin. Our second to last is the square root of x, where you find the output by taking the square root of the input. This is also known as a radical function. The domain is from 0 to infinity, because you can only take the square root of non-negative numbers, and the range is from 0 to infinity, because the only thing that you can get out of a square root is from 0 to infinity. An important fact is that a 1/2 power and the square root are the same thing, and this does not have any symmetry. Our final function is 1 over x, which is also known as a, oh gosh, there's a mistake there, rational function, or the reciprocal function. Its domain is you can plug in any number except 0, and you can get out any number but 0. An important fact is that it takes the reciprocal. So if you plug in 3/4, you get 4/3 out. And this is symmetrical about the origin. All right, make sure you've got all those written down.